Westminster High versus the world. The competition is drone soccer, quite possibly the most ingenious way to get kids excited about careers in STEM.
I just kind of thought it was weird at first because it's like drone soccer, like how do you play soccer with a drone?
I know, it's crazy, right?
Drone soccer is like another version of Quidditch, kind of.
It's a 5-on-5 competition. We have one striker that is trying to get through the goal.
We would have like 3 defenders.
One of them is specifically a keeper, which is like a goalie. It's a full contact sport, so the students get to, interact with the other drones, and sometimes they break stuff, and it's a lot of fun.
You basically learn how to drone maintenance and drone programming.
It takes teamwork, I would say. It definitely takes communication skills.
So basically today we're going to be playing with the Korean International team.
It's just an opportunity for the South Korean team to come here and come play the USA team as a friendly match. And then next week we're going to be flying to South Korea, and we will be competing against them again in South Korea at the World Tournament.
So we're practicing spinning their drone with the hood and then keeping that in control. That's what they're doing.
We're just kind of like basically showcasing drone soccer and making it more out there, especially since it's really new.
Drone soccer it's an amazing thing, and you get to meet new people. Like I'm meeting like people that speak entirely different language from like an entire continent, and I'm befriending them, and it's been very fun. And at the end of the day, it's about fun.
Those 4 students from Westminster going to South Korea later this month are part of the U.S. Drone Soccer team's first ever World Championship team. Some of the students are even skipping graduation to go.